Hello, we are at IMTEX 2019 and we are at the stall of Tool Grinding Technologies, and I have with me Mr. Santosh Prabhu. Good afternoon, Mr. Prabhu.
Good afternoon.
Santosh, you've been participating at IMTEX for quite a few years now, and one of the highlights of Tool Grinding Technologies is that it continuously keeps up launching either new products or keeps upgrading its products. So tell us something on these lines.
Yes, as you see, this time again we are into the same tool grinding field and the machine has in the last 2 years gone into some changes, upgradation. So the technology is how to make reliability and longevity. So the reliability, longevity comes in terms of mechanical elements and electronics. So in mechanical elements, now the drives, the latest technology is the linear motor. So as the name suggests, we have come with the Maxima Linear. So in the last IMTEX, our machine was with direct torque motors. So rotary axis are with non-contact torque motors. Then this year, linear axis are with non-contact tubular linear motors. So these two things will increase the longevity of our machine, reliability of our machine, and that's what customer wants, because the investments what he is doing in this area should last for long. So that is the main agenda, that is the main show what we have here.
Okay, and exports has been a new focus for Tool Grinding Technologies. You are exporting to countries like Germany and US. Tell us something on those lines.
Yes. See, in the last 15 years, 14-15 years, we have been selling in India. So we learned the technology of tool grinding and machines, servicing, installation and repeat selling of the machine and customer needs. So then in the last 2-3 years, we started looking at export market. So export market, first we looked at Southeast Asia. So we went to Thailand, we went to China, we sold a couple of machines. Then opportunity came to sell a machine in Germany. So naturally, you know, the target given by a German customer was comparable with the German machine. But we could really prove it to him in India when he came to our factory, we showed him the machines, we made sample tools, everything. And now we have given him this latest fully loaded machine running with automation in Germany, and customer is very happy, looking forward to upgrading and buying some more machines.
Okay, you're also exporting to US, and do you look at expanding the geographical footprints going ahead?
Yes, now US we sold one machine 2 years back, 1.5 years back, and then customer is now ordered 2 more machines. So there we are trying to set up a service center to see how we can export more. In US is a big market. Germany at the moment is very competitive market, but US, if you really look at it, there are very few tool and cutter manufacturers in US, whereas Germany is full of CNC machine manufacturers. So US, our focus is to set up in really a good tech center there and sell more machines.
Vis-a-vis the growth of the manufacturing industry in India, what are some of the key trends that you foresee in the near future, and how are you ready to leverage on these trends?
See, the key trend is everybody wants very highly, one is performance. Any product you make, performance. But performance is guaranteed now. The absolute performance is guaranteed. We need to have performance. But how do you maintain this performance? That is consistency. So consistency comes by a consistent process. And this process involves main machines, auxiliary machines, inspection equipment and manpower. So this is what customer is expecting. One is performance, which is absolute, which is guaranteed, which we have been giving since last few years. But along with the performance, that performance has to be consistent over a period of time. If somebody is able to give consistent performance, then you have always customer working with you. This is what is the trend. This is what we have been seeing that in the last few years.
And in terms of business, how's been the growth for you in the last 1 year, and what's your outlook for the coming couple of years?
Last year was really fantastic. Fantastic. Our capacity more than, I think, some 40-50% we increase our capacity and sold machines. Generally we sell around 15 machines a year. We sold 25 machines last year. In India around 22 machines and 3 machines export, and more machines lined up.
Okay, so your outlook is positive for the coming couple of years?
Yes, yes. Okay. Very much on that.
On that note, thank you so much for talking to us. Appreciate time, and I wish you all the best for the year ahead. Thank you.